It's called like 10 dragons going through the forest, where you just kind of take your fingertips and just kind of go here. If your your hair allows you to do something like this, you're just brushing through, brushing through, brushing through. Okay, then I'm just going to brush down my arm. Okay, brushing down my arm. Okay, I'm going to brush down the other arm. I'm going to brush down my legs. Okay, just brush down, 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 brush down. You can do it again if you want to. Brush down, brush down, brush down, brush down, brush down. If you need a little bit more, something a little bit more invigorating, you can do a little bit of a slap body here, where we're just going to take your hands. You can start from your top and just kind of knock on your head a little bit here. Gently, gently, don't hurt yourself. Okay, then you can do the same thing kind of at the back again, where we were up at the top before, doing that. And then we can get our low back, as we were doing before, just kind of putting it together. And then we're going to go up to our shoulder and just kind of go down. Striking, now you can strike with an open palm like I'm doing here, or you can use a closed fist. There you go. Just waking up the body, waking up the channels here. And you generally do it about, three on the outer arm, 3 on the inner arm, kind of working your way in. Generally speaking, about five total, 5 or 6 total. Okay. And you do the same thing, just kind of get your glute a little bit and kind of go down, 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 down. And come up. And we do it 3 times. Try to get different parts of your legs in each pass. Getting more towards the back or more towards the front, whichever way you started. Just work your way around. And then, I got my mic on, so I'm going to be very gently just kind of go around my chest area and coming down to the stomach and just kind of working my way out. Okay. You can do that a couple times if you want to, and you come to the back and just kind of get the back and around your waist. Okay.